There are a lot of people out there who have the zeal, the goal, the ability in creating YouTube content. Not everybody is actually open to stand in front of the camera and talk to people, and not everybody actually want to talk in front of the camera due to one reason or the other. In this video, I'll be showing you the best possible means to create YouTube videos without showing your face, to create faceless YouTube videos. Invideo.io has made it very simple and possible for us to create videos without being in front of the camera and talking and showing your face out there. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end and learn how to create your own videos without showing your face. To create these videos, you are going to be needing two applications, ChartGPT and invideo.io. Invideo.io is where you're actually going to convert your video, and ChartGPT is where you're going to write your script. Don't bother about it. Even if you're not educated, you can create these videos. You're just going to ask ChartGPT to help you write the script for you, and InVideo will convert the script to a video for you. So you have nothing to bother about. Also, the step-by-step procedure I'm going to be showing you, in my case, I'm going to be using my computer. You can use your phone as well. It's the same procedure on phone or computer, the same applications, the same steps, okay? Whether you're using a phone or a computer, everything remains the same. Not to take much of your time, watch the video. So the very first thing to do is to get on your ChartGPT. Once you get on ChartGPT, I will type here, let's say I want to write about avocado. I'll tell ChartGPT, like I say, write a YouTube script about importance of avocado, importance of eating avocado. Now I've asked ChartGPT to write a YouTube script for me about importance of eating avocado. So this is the script about the importance of avocado that ChartGPT has given me. If I read the script and it's not okay by me, I can ask ChartGPT to regenerate the script. But for the sake of this video, this is my script. So the next thing I will do now, I will ask ChartGPT to add an intro and a YouTube outro. So you see, ChartGPT is now adding a YouTube outro and an intro into the script that I wrote. This is, you see here, this is the outro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more. You see, so this is the YouTube outro. The next thing I will do now is I will copy my script out to a Word document. You can copy yours to anywhere, it depends on you, but I'll copy mine out to a Word document. So after copying my script, I'll carry it over to a Word document. So when you paste your script over on a Word document or wherever, you go ahead and edit the script, because there are always directions on the script, like you see host voice over. So there will be directions on your script on what to do at what level. So you go ahead and edit your script. We're done editing our script. The next thing to do after editing your script is to copy your script over to where we're going to be developing it. Okay, I'm sure you've enjoyed the first part of the video. That is the part where we've just created our script. Now we are about moving into the second part of the video, which is where we're going to be developing our script into a video. Please, before I show you that part, please, I beg of you, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, stop here, click the subscription button, and when you click the subscription button, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post another video, you will be notified. Please, I beg of you, support me by subscribing to the channel, please. Thank you. Watch the second part of the video. After copying your script, the next thing to do is to come over here to invideo.io. This is the application where we're going to be developing our video. It's actually free. If you don't have an account yet, you click on sign up. If you have an account, you can click on login, or you click on sign up and it will still take you into your login. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up. The sign up steps are very straightforward and simple. Just asking for little basics information about you, like your name, your email address, and you're good to go. So I will click on sign up. I already have an account, but it's going to get me into my account. Now this is my account and this is the home page. The next thing to do, I will get to where it says create new at the top right. I'll click on create new. This little window will pop up. I'll go to the last one that says editor. I haven't clicked anything, just roll your mouse to the last one that says editor. This other little menu will pop up. You select landscaped. You click on landscaped, it will load up and open up over here. You close this window. This is how it's going to open up. Once it opens up, you come over here to the left and you click on videos. You click on videos to the left. It will give you this menu here. Our video that we want to generate is about avocado. So I will type here avocado. and I will enter to search for avocado videos. Here it's going to give me avocado videos. As you can see, these are avocado videos. You see avocado everywhere. So the next thing I'll do from here, it has given me avocado videos, and if I keep rolling down, it will keep generating videos. I'm going, keep generating videos. I'm going, but I don't want it to keep generating, so I'm going to stop it here by rolling my mouse upward. Okay, when you roll your mouse down to the bottom, it will keep generating videos. I'm going, so you roll it up for it to stop generating. Now I will select an avocado video. Let me select this one. I'll click on the add button on the video, and it will open up this way. I can play the video and decide, maybe let's say I want to change it. I don't like this particular video. I will close it at the top here. Now I will select another video which is more interesting and making sense to me. Okay, so I will select my video. Now I want this one. I will click on add. You click on add. This is the video, the first video that has been added. You see the video, there is no sound yet. The next thing I will do here is I will come over here. Since I already have my video in place, I will click on where it says voice over at the top of the video, where it says voice over. I'll click on voice over, and this menu will pop up. You select the first one, automated text to speech. Click on automated text to speech. It will load up by the left, and this window will open up. Now I will click here and paste my script over here. You see my script has been pasted here. From your ChartGPT, you can choose to copy your script directly over here. It's still okay. Now you can select a voice here where it says voice. You click on voice and you select a voice. Let's use Sophie. Now I'll click on generate voice. It will generate the voice for me. You see, it has generated. Here you can play your video to
in a world full of food choices.
Here you play it here to listen to the voice if it's okay by you, and you can also play to listen to the video to your script if it's okay by you. If it's not okay, you can just come over here and edit the script. Now our script is okay. So the next thing we're going to do,
in a world full of food choices,
I can change the voice to John. Let's change the voice to Nathan's voice and regenerate again. Now it's done regenerating. Let's play it again and hear the voice.
In a world full of food choices.
So you hear the voice now is different. The next thing to do is to click on add. We add our video, our sound to the video. Okay, I'll click here to reduce it, make it shorter. Okay, now we have our recording, our script here as audio already. So I'll play it.
In a world full of food choices.
So now we have our script here as audio. Now let's play it and listen.
In a world full of food choices, there's one fruit that stands.
Okay, the next thing to do now, I'll bring in another video to fill up this other space that is empty here. I can come over here and say, and get this avocado in again. This may go right to the end. I may take this one to the end. Open it up to fill the screen. Here I want to put something in. So I can choose here, I can come over here and say people eating avocado. People eating avocado, and I'll hit search again to get a video of someone eating avocado. You know, so you can search for different types of videos that you want. You see, these are people here eating avocado. Now I select this one, this video to put in. I put it in here, adjust it. When you play, you click here, open this up, play.
First off, avocados are loaded with healthy fat.
Now we bring it over here, we look for the next video, go back to avocado again. Okay, avocado. I just want another avocado video to put in here. Now I'll bring this one in, put in this one, and here we go to fill out the gap. Open up this one and this one. Here is our video. Okay, we're done with our video. Now what I'm going to do is I will add some text into it. Now I will click on text here. It will give me this menu. I will select the font size or how I want my text to look like. I'll choose this one. Now I will click on edit here to edit the text. I'll wipe it off and I will write something like importance of eating avocado. This is what's going to display on our screen when you first play our video. This will be like a topic, importance of eating avocado. I could still say something like why you should eat avocado. It just depends on you, right? So now I'll move it in a little bit so that once you play the video before it appears on the screen. Okay, let's play our video and see what's going to happen.
In a world full of food choices, there's one fruit that stands out for its incredible health benefits and delicious taste. Get ready to
Here comes our video. So here you can add more text as you like, just depending on depends on you. Okay, here I can add more text. I'll click on edit and I will say something like one good avocado. So you can actually do it this way and maybe put like little taggings, right? When the video is transiting from one topic to another, or from one point to another point, you can actually do this at the middle of your video. You see, when it plays and reaches where you want to add something, you click on text and you add your text in. So let's play our video now and see what's going to happen.
In a world full of food choices, there's one fruit that stands out for its incredible health benefits and delicious taste. Get ready to discover the power of the mighty avocado.
You see it up. You see what I just added here? This is like a point, 1 point. Good. So you can add as many points as you like. The next thing to do, I will head over here towards the end of the video where I'm going to add in a YouTube closure, right? A YouTube closure. So I'll come over here and search for something like, please YouTube like, share and subscribe. You see? So I'll bring in something like this. So I'll bring in my YouTube closure post and I'll add it to the end of my video. This is my YouTube closure. So now I'll play
recipes and food tips. Until next time.
So I'll play it here and I'll bring it over to where it says subscribe. So I will move it over here. You see, I add up
video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food tips.
You can always open this up to fill your screen. So let's play it again.
This video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time.
Here you can add sound and everything. Let's go ahead and download our video. To download your video, you come to the top right where it says export. But before we do that, you can add as many things as you like to your video. Okay, here you can also add other things to your video like music. Let's add some background music. Let's add some background music to our video. You click over here. Here you select background music, the type of background music you want. I'll select inspiration music. Here are the different types of background music. Okay, now I'll select this one. I'll click on the like over. I'll click on these are different types of background music. I'll click on the like over here, on the plus button over here to add my background music. Now this is the background music over here. Now let's play our video again and listen.
In a world full of food choices, there's one fruit.
The background music volume seems to be too high, so I will click on the background music. Make sure you click on the music and come over here to say volume and fit and click on volume and fit. Now I want to reduce the volume.
In a world full of food choices.
So I adjust my volume. So I adjust my background volume. Now let's play the video again.
One fruit that stands out for its incredible health benefits and delicious taste. Get ready to discover the power
now
of the
I feel like my video is okay now and good to go. The next thing to do from here, I will go ahead and export my video. Exporting my video now to my system. Now I will go ahead and export my video. But before I do that, let me show you all one more thing. Here you can add a logo to your video. You see here at the left right hand where it says logo, and at the top of your screen where it says logo. Let's say I took out this particular one on the screen, and now I want to add my logo to the video. To add your logo to the video, you click where it says logo, and this will load up. This is my logo here. I will add my logo to the video. You see it automatically appears at the logo area where the logo is supposed to be. I can adjust it if I feel like it's too small or it's okay. I leave it there. Adjust my logo to look good. Now your logo is going to cover the whole video. It's going to be there throughout the video. You see my logo.
Food choices.
You see my logo at the top here. The next thing to do now is to download the video. Let's go ahead and download our video. I will click on export, and this will open up, and I'll export my video. My video is being exported, as you can see. Now our video is done downloading. let's play our video and see how it looks like.
In a world full of food choices, there's one fruit that stands out for its incredible health benefits and delicious taste. Get ready to discover the power of the mighty avocado. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. First off, avocados are loaded with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels.
So this is our video. I'm going to forward it towards the end because I want you all to see how the ending is going to look like.
Tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy eating.
So this is how we have finally gotten our video out. From here now, you can upload your video to YouTube. Okay, welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. If you have watched the video up to this extent, I really want to say a very big thank you to you. I know it's not easy watching up to this extent, but if you have reached this extent, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to hit the subscription button, as I will be posting more interesting videos like this one in the days ahead. In order not to miss those videos, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell and turn it on so that once I post those videos, you will be notified and you'll be one among the very first people to watch that video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and stay blessed.